Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be reviewing the new Stila Lingerie Souffle Primer. So if you want to see how this product works, then just keep watching. So today we're going to be testing out the Stila Lingerie Souffle Skin Perfecting Primer. They came out with this and also a what's it called? A Lingerie Souffle Skin Perfecting Color, which I think is the version of a foundation, but it said light to medium coverage, and that's just not me, so I didn't get that. So I did get the primer. This is what it looks like. The packaging is so cool. So this is the Sheer Illumination. They have two shades. They have the Sheer Illumination, which is the one I got, and then that's for illuminating, and then they have a sun-kissed bronzing version, which is just, you're not gonna be able to see that. It's too deep for my skin tone, so I got this one. This comes with 1 fluid ounce, and it is like a cream formula. Obviously, after a while, it's clear down here, so it's gonna get too hard to stick my finger in and kind of nasty. So I'll probably end up just using a sponge or something, but let's read about this product real quick. I am on Ulta's website. Ulta is where I purchased it from, and it is $36 on Ulta. Let's see. It says, to experience a rush of freshness with Stila's most luxurious multifunction lingerie souffle skin perfecting primer. Sheesh. It's a whipped gel formula that primes the skin with the added benefit of 2 finishes. It's supposed to be illuminating or bronzing. Like I said, I have the illuminating one. It's a new generation light refracting pearls add a natural looking glow with a blurring skin perfecting effect. Anything else? It just says allows for smooth application without the usual associated tackiness. It does not have a tackiness, I do know that. It is over 70% water. Apply under foundation to prime or over foundation to refresh your refresh your complexion. Okay. Let's try that. So I actually am coming to you after, fuck, how many hours? 12 hours of wear today. So this is 12 hours of wear. I do want to zoom you in at the end. I'm gonna do this video backwards. It won't seem backwards to you, but to me it's backwards because I have my makeup on now. I'm gonna show you the end result, but I'm not gonna actually show you the end result until you see it being applied. It's so weird filming these kind of videos. So this is the packaging, like I said. It's kind of like a star shape. I don't know if you can see that. This one is pink toned. It feels really nice to the touch. I do believe the whole 70% water, it feels like that, and it feels so nice. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and reapply this product to my face. So let's get on with that. So now that I've taken my makeup off, let's go ahead and put this back on. So I'm going to take, it says to take a pea-size amount. Where did I read that? So on the box, it says, before makeup application, apply a pea-size amount to skin with fingers or the brush. I can't do a pea-size amount. That just does not work for my fat face. So we're gonna do a decent amount. Okay, so this is without putting foundation on. As you can see, it actually does smooth the skin. I wouldn't say it's fully covering my pores, but it definitely did smooth everything down. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some foundation on. This is the Too Faced Born This Way. And we're just gonna do a light layer because I'm taking it off right after this. So I just want you to see what it looks like with foundation on it. Okay, I'm just doing this light layer because, like I said, I'm just going to take my makeup off. It's the end of the night, so I don't really want to go crazy and waste my products. So this is just with foundation on, no powder, nothing like that. So let me zoom you in so you can see what it looks like. So I definitely can see the smoothing, especially on my nose. I see it slightly here. I wouldn't say this is like an overly like professional kind of whited out blank canvas kind of smoothing. I think this is more of a natural looking smooth. So I can still kind of see my pores here. But other than that, it actually does look smoothing. It's just like I said, it's not filter smoothing. It's more of a natural smoothing, I feel like. Let me turn my lights down and see if that helps you any. Oh, wrong way. Okay. Does that help? Maybe a little bit. Let me refocus. Pause, please. Okay. So hopefully this helps a little bit with the lights being down somewhat to see that it is pretty smooth, but you can still you can see my texture. It's not blanked out. So yeah, let's go ahead, zoom you back out real quick. Turn these back up. Whew. Okay, so I do think it feels really nice. I can definitely feel the 70% water. It feels really moisturizing when you're putting it on. It does not have that sticky tackiness, which sometimes is a good thing, but in reality, for me, a primer's job is to, you know, do the things like hydrate or whatever you're wanting it to do, but it's also to help make your makeup last. And when it's not sticky, my brain says it's not working then. So it isn't tacky. I do see a natural glow. I forgot to mention that part before I put foundation on. I do see a natural glow with this product without any foundation on. I kind of see it coming through right now, even through the foundation. So it does give you a nice healthy glow. So let's jump into what my makeup looks like after 12 hours. Now that you've seen how it works when I first apply it, let me show you what it looks like after 12 hours. So I am gonna zoom you in. Hate doing this, but I'm gonna zoom you in. So as you can see, my foundation has broken up right here. You can see, I hope the camera picks this up, but you can see it's like separated. Let me try to go closer. Okay, is that better? Hopefully that's better. So as you can see, it's separated here. My nose always comes off right here because I touch it constantly, and I do have really bad dry skin that the foundation's clinging to, but oh, it's really bad over here. Ew. It definitely didn't help this situation, which is more dry skin. It came off my chin. So other than right here is the only place I see separation. The chin missing and the nose missing doesn't bug me because that's me constantly touching it. Because everywhere else it's pretty much there. I am missing a little bit here. But other than that, I feel like it just really separated here. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and zoom you back out. So one thing I did see on Ulta is it actually says apply under foundation to prime or over foundation to refresh your complexion. This scares me. I don't know how that's gonna work, but I feel like let's go ahead and do it. I mean, I'm gonna take this makeup off anyways, so let's try it. So I grabbed a little bit. We're just gonna try patting it over this problem area. I don't obviously want to swipe, but oh, hell no. Okay, let's grab this because that's not working. Yeah, don't recommend that. It literally just took off my makeup. Like, I can see the foundation now on my fingers. Definitely only an under foundation kind of thing. I would not try that over top. I knew it wasn't gonna work, but I wanted to try it anyways. So overall, I do think it's a nice product. It feels really great. I feel like though, as a primer, I wouldn't use it by itself just because of my dry skin. I need that moisture, especially here. But other than that, I actually think it's a nice primer for short wear, like maybe 5 hours, 5 to 8 possibly. For a short period of time, I do think it's a pretty primer. For long periods like 12 hours, which is my normal day, I need products that hold up. This does not hold up like that. However, I feel like if I mix it with other primers, I'll still like it. And let's be honest, I bought it for its packaging. And I'm fine putting it on display and paying $36 for decoration. So it's up to you how you feel if that is something you would like. I think the smoothing part is really pretty at first, but like obviously as you can see, it doesn't last. So yeah, that's all I have for this video. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.